You're in the car and you want the window open. The Comfort-Lay earplugs, they fit simply in your ear. They're hardly noticeable. They're in the ear right now. They're 50 dB level. Traffic passes by. No jackhammers. No horns. Very little TV sound. Refrigerators, fans, and more. The Comfort-Lay earplugs. We're going to just demonstrate, show you what the product is about. Comfort-Lay 50 dB earplugs for sleeping, commuting, biking, and more. It comes in a nice small case, silicone strap, silicone inside. We're going to open up the earplugs, silver and black. They simply come out of its holder. They go in the ear one way by just simply pressing in, push in like so. $50 dB. They have a filter, 3 layers. We're going to take off the silver by pulling. It comes off real easy and it goes in. That is the filter. All silicone, plastic, removable plug. 3 sets, 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large. We do not have a cleaning brush. You have an instruction guide. Simply grab the plug, spread it out and open up, match up, press in, and ready for use. To clean, simply wash. When all finished, they simply fit into the case firmly. And snap down and push hard. You're in the car and you want the window open. The Comfort-Lay earplugs, they fit simply in your ear. And push. It is flush to the ear and easy to rest your head. When all done, just simply remove and place in. They're portable and easy to use. Comfort-Lay earplugs.